Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to be planning using Hagrid's Pumpkin Patch. This is the Horizontal Weekly Kit, and I'm going to be using my Recollections Horizontal Planner, and I'm going to show you real quick. I marked it in here so that I can show it to you. I did like a little test with the Horizontal Kit because I'd never used the Horizontal Kit before, and I used Winter Magic. I did this for the first week of December, kind of like so it's from the 1st, actually from the 30th of November through the 6th of December, and love this kit. It's so beautiful, but there were some elements in here that I did not like, so I changed it up in the new format. So if you ordered this kit prior to the sale, I should say prior to this weekend, you're going to get the old format. If you order from now forward, which I think only a couple people have ordered Horizontal Weekly Kits because I don't think anybody really knows what to do with them yet, you'll get the new format, which I think is going to be much better, but we're going to play with this one today. So as you can see, everything, this is the way I laid mine out. There's so many options with these kits on how you can lay out a horizontal kit. Just a ton of stuff that you can do with them. And if you're a journaler and you have blank pages, these are also great because you have so many different sized elements in here that you can cut down, place wherever you want. See how big all this stuff is. You've got just way more room to play and a lot more stuff that you can do. So anyway, that's all I have to say about that. I am going to kind of fast forward it just a little bit, talk you through the process. We are going to be planning for the week of the 5th through the 11th, even though I know it's kind of in the middle of this. I've been kind of playing around with my other planners, so I am caught up in my other planners, but this is the one that I haven't really played with a whole lot, actually, like at all. So we're going to see how we do with this one, and I'm going to, like I said, fast forward and do a voiceover so that I can get back to cutting and printing in the background without it annoying you. So anyway, stay tuned for the rest of this that I will speed up.
Okay, let's get started with the voiceover. So first I'm going to put down my little sidebars here, and this was one of the first things that I changed after doing the first test with the other horizontal kit. I didn't like piecing it together. I like the more cohesive look of it being all one piece, but this is one of those things that you can leave off if you don't like it and then continue to go with the piecing it together, or you can even cut these down. So if you wanted to do these as separate boxes like every other or something like that, you could totally do that. And then full disclosure here, just because you probably wouldn't have noticed it unless I said something. Actually, most of you probably would have noticed, but I totally put this on upside down and didn't even realize it until I was editing my video that I did it. So I'm going to go back and try to fix it by turning it the other way, but then I'm like, oh, why bother? I'm the only one that's going to see it from today forward. So it's probably just going to stay upside down, but at least I only did one of the washies upside down. But as you can see, they are sized to fit across the entire page, but you can also cut them down and use them for wherever and whatever you want to in the kit. So next I'm going to put down my date covers. Each one of these has a little space next to it so that you can put the numbers on there. And then, like I said, on that top piece, you can do whatever you want up there. You could put smaller washi, you could put something underneath the month. There's all kinds of things that you can do, and all kinds of stuff in these kits that you can use. So once I have all the dates, the date covers down, I want to put down some of these decorative boxes. So I measured them out to fit in between the date covers as best I could, but you can also put them pretty much anywhere you want. You can line them all the way across the bottom if you want to make like a really cool looking scene. You can do all kinds of stuff with them, but for today I decided I wanted one underneath every single day of the week. Some of them are the check boxes, and then some of them are the decorative boxes. And then I'm just going to start putting down my washies. So I have a whole bunch of washies on here. You've got smaller stripped washies, you've got the skinny washi, you've got the full. This one here I decided to put down at the bottom of the little notes area. And then these skinny washies I thought would look really cute dividing my days, because there's no real divider here except for the lines that you write on, and I like having all that color pop in the middle of the page. I'm going to take the little flags, these are the long flags, and I'm going to put them down at the bottom, just kind of stack them just to give it a little bit of interest in this corner over here. And then I have a double box in here, and it's Hagrid's Pumpkin Patch, so I thought it would look really cute right here. And then I'm going to take that big huge piece of deco that has the sign for the pumpkin patch, and I'm going to put it right next to it, and I think that looks fantastic. Next is my It's on the List, which I'm just going to put right in the middle of the page because you can write around these, on these, whatever you want to do. And then I always like taking like little elements. So it's either like half boxes, quarter boxes, or in this case, the hexagons. If you have circles, doesn't matter what it is, but kind of offset. And it just gives kind of some visual interest and breaks up your page so that your page isn't so like square, I guess. That's probably the best way to say it. Or, you know, unless you really like that totally linear look, then you'll probably not you'll probably not like me just throwing stuff in the middle of the page. But if you have a lot of journaling to do or a lot of stuff to do, you can just leave those boxes off, or you could use those as the sidebars instead of the deco, whatever. You know, that's why these kits are so, I give you 6 pages of tons of stuff. So you can, not only can you do this, but you can also, with what you have left over, you can go and use it in like a journal. So you'll have like still tons of stuff. And I'll show you at the end what I have left over so you can see how much stuff that you have and how many options you'll have left to kind of play around with these kits. I think that I don't happen to mind having extra stickers left over because I use them. So there's always like same color schemes in different months and stuff, and you'll always find uses for these kits. And then of course we all use like so many different companies out there and all the different kits that we use and all the different deco that eventually you're going to find stuff to go along with it. So I have like basically a pile of unused half sticker sheets, and I don't mind him at all. So I'm just going to start putting down the deco. Look at his giant Hagrid. I think he looks perfect right here. And then when it comes to the actual writing, like today is Friday. So this is going to go up Friday night. And so I already know what happened Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, I work both of those days, which is why I'm trying to hurry up and get this up. And so I will do all of my, right now, I'm going to go fill in all the way up as far as I know, and then this is what it looks like all finished. So on this, I used, on top of my own kit, I used quite a few paper shires. If you look in there, you'll see some Coffee Monsters Co. And then I just wrote in all of the things that happened this week. So a little bit of memory keeping, a little bit of reminders. Actually, it's more memory keeping because it was all last week, but some stuff about the sale because, oh, what a, like Friday today was just like crazy. If it could break, it broke. So today was just a frustrating day of fixing things. So I decided to take a break and film this and do something other than print, cut, package, foil, etc. So thanks so much for watching this. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to use my horizontal kits. I will see you again real soon with another video. We'll do another plan with me, and I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. Bye-bye.